Foundation's Integrated Medical and Sports Health home of Muncy Family Chiropractic is all about helping you live the 100-year lifestyle. This morning, Beth Muncy and Dr. Rob Rogers are here to get us ready for a very special event they're hosting coming up on March 28th. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning to you both. Before we get into the event, let's reiterate some things about that 100-year lifestyle. I mean, that is something that you all live and preach.
Absolutely.
Yes.
The 100-year lifestyle is about living your healthiest life as long as you're going to be on this earth. And we talked about the empire.
Yes.
You know, taking your age, your oldest relative's age, subtracting that and getting what's your potential life left on this earth. So the 100-year lifestyle is about using all of the things we have with chiropractic, our supplementation, our food, our exercise to live that best life for 100 years or however long we're here.
Right, and we've mentioned this on here before, but your parents' health and the things that they went through, you do not have to go through.
You're not doomed to live the health that they had.
Right.
Just because, I've said it before, just because grandparents, parents had all of these health issues when it comes to heart, diabetes, even dementia, anything, you're not doomed to that lifestyle. There are things we can do. And we have brought Dr. Rob Rogers on, our medical director / supervising physician to Foundations. Also has his company, Encompass 360. He's going to tell you a little bit how we can help even further with that process.
Tell us about that, Doctor.
Well, this is a new concept to the Tri-Cities, and you know, most people go to their provider, very happy with their provider, but you're treated as a piece of the population. You're no different than any other diabetic or hypertensive patient who comes in. So a newer concept that's come out in recent years is a thing called precision medicine. And the concept is we get your DNA, we get a huge panel of lab tests, and patients recently have attested to the fact that we're drawing 14 vials of blood. I mean, it's a big battery of tests. And then we combine that with a health questionnaire and basically put together a health and wellness program for you for longevity. You know, Beth mentioned Alzheimer's, heart disease, stroke. Those aren't things you actually have to develop. So yes, you inherit your DNA from your parents, but you can change the expression of that DNA. And so in a sense, we're sort of a DNA optimization medical practice where we look at your DNA, we get sort of a biopsy of what you look like as an individual. And that's the key thing, is you are an individual. And then we treat you as an individual, how to make you live longer, healthier, lose weight, what diet works, what diet doesn't work. How do you prevent these diseases that traditional medicine traditionally hasn't done a great job doing?
All right. Before we run out of time, we want to talk about this event coming up on the 28th. Yes. Tell us more about that.
On March 28th at 5:30 in Bristol at the Comedy Club.
Blue Ridge Comedy.
Blue Ridge Comedy Club, yes.
We are going to be talking more about the 100-year lifestyle and the DNA-based wellness with Dr. Rogers and Dr. Muncy both. So we want everyone to come out to that, learn a little bit more, find out what we can do to help you live a longer, healthier life. All
right. And we got the information for everyone right there on the screen. DNA-based health, wellness, and longevity coming up at the Blue Ridge Comedy Club Monday, March the 28th from 5:30 to 7 p.m.